About this item 7 in 2 MacBook Pro Multiport Dongle. This MacBook adapter equipped with one 4K 30Hz HDMI port, 2 USB 3.0, one Thunderbolt 3 port, one 100W USB CPD fast charging port and SDTF card readers. Perfect for 13 and 15-inch MacBook Pro 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016 and MacBook Air 2020, 2019, 2018. Red Heart note: this adapter is not suitable for the MacBook with protective case and not support Apple USB Super Drive. 4K UHD MacBook HDMI adapter. Lionway MacBook Pro Air HDMI adapter enable you to mirror or extend the display of MacBook to a TV, monitor or projector with the resolution up to 4K UHD, 3840 x 2160 at 30 Hz, through the HDMI output port.